bonjour. We are looking at how to pronounce this word or this phrase. Let's say we'll be looking at how to say more French vocabulary as well. So stay tuned to the channel to learn more. Les yeux, meaning the eyes. So let's break it down. How do you pronounce this that way? So eyes, the plural, is pronounced as yeux. Y-E-U-X. Yeux. So the Y is like an I, yeux, and EU is like the sound from French. The X is silent. So eyes by itself is pronounced yeux. Now because you put the les before that has an S, you make a liaison, meaning that you link up the final S to the Y, and the S to les, which is normally silent, becomes audible because you link it up with the Y. Les yeux. So you pronounce it like a Z. Les yeux. Les yeux is how you say the eyes in French, and you have to make this liaison, otherwise if you say les yeux, it'll sound off and people won't really understand what you're saying. Les yeux is how you say the eyes in French. And now you know, I hope this makes sense. More videos for you here to learn more French pronunciation and how to say I as the singular here, right on the top left corner. See you there. Thanks for watching. Merci.